got some motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old guys to walk.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And introduction, Kamal Village is actually location in a rural area in Kamal district, Bangkalan Regency. This location is very strategic because it is close to Bangkalan and across from Surabaya. Access to transportation such as highways, ferries, and public transportation can affect the daily activities of the Kamal Village community. People as public transportation for daily needs by ship, such as going to the market and taking a ferry to go to Surabaya via the Madura Strait. The characteristic of Kamal Village generally occur in communities that have strong family ties and their custom parish. Kamal Village has strong tradition and culture that are maintained by the surrounding community, including traditional ceremonies for individuals who have died. They strongly preserve the traditional culture in art form or orchestra. Education in Kamal varies greatly because some people continue to college, while others only graduate from elementary school to high school. This is due to the fact that people in the past could not continue their education to college. Kamal Village relies on fishermen on the coast because of its topography variation. In addition, its natural location can still be well preserved. Natural resources such as agricultural land or rice fields and water sources can have an impact on the economic and lifestyle of the community. In addition, the crop planted by farmers are influenced by the climate in Kamal Village to survive. In Kamal Village, there is a social structure of possession where village leaders are responsible for community decision making. The economy of Kamal Village is largely dependent on agriculture, where residents work as farmers, fishermen, livestock breeder, and traders. Number 1. Social group in Kamal Village, location in Bangkalan Regency. Kamal residents are closely related to each other, forming social group. In addition, this group can be divided into primary and secondary group. Primary group consists of neighbors and close families who are very close or support each other every day. Meanwhile, secondary group consists of community group or work group that work to achieve certain goals and usually have closer and more harmonious relationship between community and social dynamic. The socialization process that can occur in Kamal Village is very important because individuals can learn and adapt to the norms and values that apply in Kamal Village. In addition, there are several other factors that influence social dynamic in Kamal Village, including economy, educational, and technological checks. For example, increased access to education can change people's way of thinking and encourage them to adapt to development in the era. In addition, conflict or difference of opinion with its social group and also cause more complex dynamic that require collaborative discussion to resolve them. And social layering based on religion, Number 1. In Kamal village, the role of religion is very important in forming social learning. Religion use figure, kiai or of other ulama figures have position or are descended of great scholar of or descended of prophets. This position in only occupied by those who have the highest position in the social layering. They are not only respected, but religious figures must also be followed, because their religious knowledge and devotion to religion are very strong, but they also influence decision making in society. And number 2, based on tradition, for the residents of Kamal village, there is a custom that they still maintain until now, namely the Ketupat Festival, which is entitled to a small boat race or lomban. This tradition is filled with various tumpeng and typical market snack to fill the small boat sailing around Kamal Harbor. The Ketupat Festival is held 1 week after the Mubarak Fitri celebration. In this tradition, the residents of Kamal are very enthusiastic to enliven this celebration. And social mobility. Vertical mobilization number 1. In Kamal village, highly educated people have the opportunity to get better jobs and can improve the economic status of their families. Number 2, horizontal mobility. The emergence of small and medium enterprises in Kamal village can provide alternative job and enable people to switch from traditional job to independent business. And number 3, cultural ecology and community addiction. Number 1, in cultural ecology, Kamal village has a tradition in the form of halal bihalal carried out by the Kamal village community, which is a tradition passed down from our ancestors. This tradition is carried out during the celebration of Eid Fitri in order to bind the family closer and remain connected to each other. The halal bihalal tradition is very beneficial for the people of Kamal village because it's still applied to the youth. In number 2, community adoption. People are now starting to switch from grocery store or basic necessity to supermarket. This is due to the increasing need and development in technology that can make it easier to shop online and goods can be delivered. So people prefer to shop via mobile phones. And number 4, gender and development issue. Gender. Madura is still known as a society that is linked with the culture and custom of the past that are still practiced today. Even the customary law that is legalized is early marriage. In the culture of early marriage in Madura, there are several processes in early marriage, namely matchmaking and manipulation of the age of marriage. And the development issue. One of the arts that is trying to be developed into halal tourism is in Kamal village. This study aims to determine the response of the surrounding community in Kamal village regarding the plan to develop halal culinary tourism in Kamal village. This type of research in qualitative research with a descriptive method that aim to describe the problem that will be discussed by researchers about the community's response to the plan to develop halal culinary tourism in Kamal village. And number 5, social check and development. Social checks. There are some major checks in social checks that can experience interest. Number 1, construction of the Suramadu Bridge. This bridge connecting Madura with Java has had a major impact on mobility and accessibility, but has also resulted in the decrease in the number of passengers at Kamal Port. And number 2, education and religions. The Taklim Assembly in Kamal not only provides religious education, but also becomes a center for social and cultural activities that can strengthen community solidarity between communities. And economy and social development in Kamal village. Kamal Port, one of the crossing point between Madura Island and Surabaya Island. Many people sell or trade around Kamal Port, where many buyers come when the ship has docked at Kamal Port. However, after the Suramadu Bridge, Kamal Port is not as crowded as it has to be, and there are various community activity in Kamal village. Community activities such as the local market or cultural festival are held near Kamal Port, especially at the West Terminal. And number 6, relate to sociological theory. Emily Durkheim theory is that each element in society has a specific facts that contribute to the stability and well-being of society as a whole. For example, institutions such as family, education, and religion have an important role in maintaining social order. And domination, number 1 is Pelabuhan Kamal, and number 2 Lemban, number 3 Warung Bebek. Is number 7, influence of people life. Number 2, social group and social dynamic get better education and people get more knowledge and skill. Number 2, social learning and social mobility. Strengthening ties between religious and community leaders to strengthen tradition in the surrounding environment and support cooperation to build a better economy. Number 3, cultural ecology and community adaptation. Strengthening social ties between families and neighbors to maintain harmony between human beings. And number 4, gender and development issues. Developing the local economy by increasing revenue from the tourism sector in order to create new jobs, and can also consider the negative impact of potential social and cultural checks that may occur due to external influence. And number 5, social checks and development, able to adapt and innovate in facing new challenges, and also maintain socio-cultural values that are very important for community life. Then closing, building activities that are beneficial to the community so that they continue to develop existing tradition and improve the efficiencies in Kamal village, so that the community can open up wide job vacancies and open tourism that is quite attractive too many people. As forgiving advice not to have early marriage so as not to cause HIV, which can be high risk. Sekian, thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke teman-teman, terima kasih sudah menonton videonya.